Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel today. And I am working on sketch number 27 of Chrissy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And this sketch was designed by Jessica Ware of the Scrappy Sisters. And this is a really nice sketch. It has some torn pieces, which is the Dotty About Flare prompt is torn paper. So there's two torn edges, some splattered on the background, two photos, some floral embellishing, and a title. So again, a nice sketch that leaves you a lot of room to change it up if you. My layout is again of my granddaughter's birthday party, and this layout I put together at the Scrapbooking Crop, so that's why you don't see the process putting together, but I will explain what I did. Now I used the set that I will show now. And I use the thin cut that goes with that to just do this scallop border, and then I use the stamp to do this, and that was in Wildberry. And for the green, this is Green Apple. I used a tone-on-tone stamping of the happy birthday, and I did first generation, second generation, first generation, second generation, to give it a little interest, but not anything too distracting. And I also used the happy birthday, the same stamp here, to stamp it with the intense black, and then colored it with the tri-blend markers with the colors that were in this title that says happy birthday surprise. She received this on her birthday, not at the birthday party, and it was a surprise. She didn't know she was going to get this new bike, so she was very happy. And the torn edge paper, I did the white daisy and the glacier, the wild berry, and you see I just kept a little bit of the wild berry because there's some here and at the top, and it's such a bright color. I really wanted to tone it down, and that green really did that. I used a bunch of these sticker elements to splatter around the page instead of using the ink splatters. I used a sticker splatter. And I also used these little circle embellishments from the sticker sheet and just layered them onto that glitter paper, and only let a little bit shine through, which worked really well. The balloons were from the sticker sheet as well, and I also mounted them on the glitter paper, Wildberry glitter paper. And then this cord here, baker's twine, is actually raspberry, and it is discontinued, but I bought a lot of it, so I have it in my stash to use for a lot of different future projects. So this was a really nice layout, and I love how it just lets the photos shine. Great sketch. And if you want to see what other people are making with this sketch, check out their links in the video description, and close-ups will be at the end. Thank you so much for joining me. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe if you're not, and close-ups at the end again, and have a great day. Thank you.